So maybe you're like me and you've been stuck in quarantine and your roots are coming out. Girlfriend, I hear you. I've got you in this video. We're going to go over 3 super quick, easy hairstyles. Your number 1 secret weapon is going to be your favorite hat. I grabbed my favorite baseball cap. I love this hat. Any hat will do. First hairstyle is going to be your classic messy bun. All I do is just take a hair tie, put some pieces to frame my face, gather it all loosely in my hands, and I just wrapped it around twice. This is going to give it a super messy look. If you're going out for the day, you might want to wrap it around a couple more times just to make it a little bit tighter. But here is your classic messy bun. You honestly cannot go wrong with this hairstyle. With a cute hat on, you could even do a flat brimmed hat. It would be so fun. Next up, we have our terribly easy but oh so beautiful side braid. Again, I am just framing my face with a few pieces, and then I'm just going to gather all the rest of my hair, split it into 3 sections, and braid all the way down. Now, when you're doing this, you're going to want to get as even as sections as possible, but don't worry too much about making them perfect, because after we go all the way down, I'm just going to be pulling out pieces from the braid to get so much more volume and really give it that piecey, texturized look. Now, if I'm being honest, the reason that these hairstyles are coming out so well and so effortlessly is because I'm wearing my 20-inch Cashmere hair extensions. These just give my hair so much length and so much volume to work with that honestly the simplest of hairstyles come out looking beautifully. So keeping up with the braid theme, you're going to want to grab 2 clear elastics, and we are just going to be doing 2 adorable little braids going all the way down. Now for these braids, I'm not going to pull them out and texturize them. I'm actually just going to keep them a little bit thinner and more simple. And just a little tip when you're doing this hairstyle is when you're braiding these braids, you're going to want to kind of keep your hands just angled towards your face. If you start pulling away towards the outsides, you might have some weird kinks, or it might not lay as flat to your face as you're wanting. So I would just keep that in mind when you're doing this. So there you go, another fun, quick, easy hairstyle to achieve during this crazy time. Hope that you guys are all staying safe and staying well and in natural quarantine fashion. My girl came in for the end. So I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day, and we will see you in the next video.